In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable collect puzzle points on chess.com. If you enjoy solving chess puzzles and want your progress to count toward your puzzle points, this quick setup will make sure every attempt is tracked automatically. Start by heading to chess.com in your browser. Once you're on the site, look for the small gear icon that represents settings. You can find this in two convenient places. On any page, check the bottom left corner for the gear icon and click it. Or if you're already inside the puzzle screen, there's a gear icon right there as well, so you don't have to leave the puzzle area to adjust this. If you click the general gear icon from the bottom left corner, you'll first see a compact panel. In that panel, choose all settings to open the full settings area. This gives you access to every preference in one place. Now look to the left-hand side of the settings page and select Interface. This section controls how things look and behave while you use the site, including the preferences for puzzles. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right spot. Interface will list visual and interaction options that affect your experience site-wide. Within the Interface section, scroll until you see the Collect Puzzle Points option. It appears as a toggle switch. Click the toggle to turn it on. When it's enabled, the switch will visibly change to indicate it's active. There's no separate save button here. Changes apply immediately, so you can simply close the settings when you're done. With Collect Puzzle Points turned on, your puzzle activity will now contribute to your points automatically. This helps you track your growth over time, making it easier to see how consistent practice pays off. It's especially useful if you're working toward personal milestones or want a clear sense of improvement session by session. If you use the puzzle screen gear icon instead of the general one, the process is identical from here. Open Settings, go to Interface, and switch on Collect Puzzle Points. The location of the toggle doesn't change, so you can use whichever gear icon is more convenient in the moment. If you don't immediately spot the toggle, double check that you're in the Interface section and scroll carefully. The setting is grouped with other interface preferences, not gameplay rules, which makes it easy to overlook the first time. That's it. You've enabled Collect Puzzle Points on chess.com, and your efforts in puzzles will be recorded going forward. Enjoy your training and watch those points add up as you sharpen your tactical skills.